Hello guys, welcome back to my brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to fix Google Pay not working problem solve. So at first you have to check your data connections. If it is not on, then please turn it on. After this, number 2, you have to come to the Play Store and search for Google Pay, G Pay. So guys, if your system is not updated, your app Google Pay, so please update it now. So after this, come to the setting and search for app management and click in the app list. After clicking this app list, search for the Google Pay. Search for the Google Pay. After getting this app, press in the force stop. After that, come to the storage users and clear caches. After that, clear data and come back in the permissions, storage. Make sure that your app should be allow. And after come back to the setting, type software update. So guys, you have to update your software. If not updated, then please update now. So guys, if it is not working, then switch off your mobile and turn it on again. So thanks for watching this. Thank you.